Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajbie. Today I will tell you about the pharmacovigilance overviews. The pharmacovigilance is the scientific activities relating to the assessment, detection, understanding, and the prevention of the adverse effect. And any other drug related problems. The pharmacovigilance is the prevention of the adverse effect or any other medicinal related problems. The European Medicines EMA coordinates to the European Union in a pharmacovigilance system and operates services and processes to support pharmacovigilance in the UV. The before a medicinal authorization for use of the safety and efficacy is limited to the result for clinical trials where patients are selected carefully and followed up every closely under controlled conditions. This means that at a time of a medicine's authorization it has been tested in a relatively small number of selected patients for a limited length of time. Thereafter, after authorization, authorization, the medicines may be used in a large number of patients for a long period of a time and with other medicines. Certain side effects in such a circumference it is therefore essential that the safety of all medicines in monitored throughout the use in healthcare practice. The EU law therefore requires each marketing authorization holder and a national authority and EMA to operate a pharmacovigilance system, and the overall EU pharmacovigilance system operates throughout corporations between the EU members states and EMA and the European Commissions. Some member states centers are the place under the coordination of the National Committee Authority. The EMA Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee is the responsible for assessing and monitoring in the safety of human medicines. It is made up of experts in medicines safety for a regulatory authority in a member states plus scientific experts at respectively of patients and healthcare professionals then nominated by the European Commission. The EMA supports the providing data for clinical practice available in electronic health records and prescription database. The monitoring suspected adverse reaction is the agency responsible for developing and maintaining vigilance, a system for managing and analyzing information on a suspected adverse reaction to medicine authorized in the European Economic Area EMA, and the EUDRA vigilance is a single for reports of a suspected adverse reaction seen in a healthcare practice of a clinical trials. It is used by the member states the agency and industry. The PRAC evaluates safety signals for ultra vigilance and may recommended regulatory actions as a result. And more information, see signal management. And EMA publish data for ultra vigilance in the European database of a suspect adverse drug reaction reports. And a user can view the total number of suspect side effects reports submitted to ultra vigilance for each centrally authorized medicines. And reports for drug substances used in nationally authorized medicines and are also available since October 2014. And their side effects of reporting is keeping medicines safe. And if side effects are usual flag in a raised. And EU experts take an even closer look. This can lead to a change in how the medicines is prescribed. You can play a role in making medicines safer by reporting side effects and directly to your national medicines authorities. The pharmacovigilance plan for COVID-19 vaccine sets and out how EMA and the national authorities in the EU member states and identify the evaluator in any new information that promotely including and safety signals that are relevant for the risk and benefits balance of the these vaccines. Thank you.